I just bought a new laptop. So this is an MSI laptop. It's the GL75 95D. It's a good laptop. It's actually better than my desktop as it's got a Core i7 9th gen and a GTX 1660 Ti, which is better than my RTX 3050 with 6 GB of VRAM. So let's boot it up. So it's already booted up, but let's just get in. So as you can see, I haven't used it yet. I bought it literally less than an hour ago. The guy is cold, so that's great. But before we use it, let's clean it up because it's dirty. You cannot really see it on camera, but it's just disgusting in real life. And there's a scratch here that apparently cannot be removed. Anyways, let's clean it. Okay, now this PC is completely mine. If you noticed, same wallpaper as my desktop. I installed some programs. Now let's turn it up and install an SSD for, let's say, long-term storage. Okay, let's check if the disk has been texted. This PC. Hey, successfully distinct, and it's 150 gigabytes. That is nice. Alright, maybe for the gaming test I'll do another video. But for now, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share the video, like it, comment it, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!